What is up, guys? Today I will show you how to easily connect your Ninebot scooter to the Segway app, how to bind it to your account, and how to use the app itself to connect to your scooter. So first of all, you need to create an account. I already did it and already created and connected to the app itself, but I don't have any devices here, so we should turn on your Ninebot device. Search my device, Bluetooth search and connect. So I see this Bluetooth device here, F2 plus, connect, click on it, so it's connecting now. Then you need to click on power button, device pairing successfully. So you see here logo of the Bluetooth, then bind the vehicle with the current account. So click bind, and currently it's binding with account, so bind successfully. Then you need to please watch the riding guidance. Okay, there is safety guidance, we can really skip it, click done. So okay, it's connected, fully connected now. You can customize all the settings, you can change the speed, you can power off, power on, and in the settings you can find more information here. So you can set the custom settings of the sport mode, for example, up to 32 km per hour, and many other information available for this device can be done. Total mileage, of course, you can see activation date and all the others available in this app, and now it's binded with your scooter. So here is your scooter, now it's connecting, and of course when you disable it, it will keep connection here as you see Bluetooth. So the only way, if you close the app, fully close the app, the Bluetooth disappear. Alright, so actually that's pretty much it. That's the fastest way to bind your scooter, to connect your scooter, and to change the settings.